Welcome to the Firebase tutorial for how to fix Unity resolver errors. This is a short companion tutorial for the How to Add Google Play Games Auth to Your Unity Game tutorial that covers how to fix resolver errors. I assume the general principles for fixing resolver errors would apply in other contexts as well, but I haven't actually tried it, so your mileage may vary. Here is the dreaded resolution failed dialog box. If you see this dialog box, it's pretty easy to tell what went wrong. However, there are other ways for the same problem to show up that are much more confusing. For example, this moving file failed dialog box, which is also due to resolver issues. Fortunately, the solution to all these resolver problems is fairly easy once you know how to fix it. Let's start. Close or cancel all the dialog boxes and leave Unity open in the background. Now open the Finder app. In the Finder app, go to your top-level Unity project folder, for example, Firebase Tutorial, then go to Assets, Plugins, Android folder. In this particular case, I want to fix resolution errors with Google Play services and also Firebase packages. So I'm going to select everything that starts with com.google.android and com.google.firebase. Then I'm going to delete them. Now don't do this inside of Unity because it won't actually fix the problem. It has to be in Finder. It's safe to delete them because the resolver will just go get them again and then process them properly. If you're really worried about deleting things, you can of course move them into a new folder on your desktop instead until you have things resolved. Just don't put them under your Unity project or it could be confusing. Now that we've deleted the files, we can quit Unity and then start it again. Once it has restarted, go to the Assets menu and pick Play Services Resolver, Android Resolver, Force Resolve. This will go through and get all the proper things, and you can check the folder where you just deleted them to see that they are back. And that's it. The dependencies are now resolved and you can build if you want. Congratulations.